Map values. The map values operation changes a value within a column to a desired value. For example, in a column of company names, if some don't match the standard version, they can be found and changed to the correct version. Map values is a versatile operation, and in this video we'll also see how it can be used to create a column of risk codes within your dataset. We've created a pipeline unioning a number of different input datasets. It has already detected and mapped the column headers, then applied a union stage to merge the datasets together. In most of our source datasets, we have the company name BP, but in one dataset, it's recorded as British Petroleum. Let's insert a map values operation to fix that. First, we select the column on which value mapping will apply, and that in this case we want our mapped values to overwrite the originals. Next, we define the source value. The pop-up provides suggestions from the first 2000 distinct values in the column. We can select whether the source value should be a match that equals the specified value or contains it as part of a longer entry. Finally, we add in the name we want to map to. If there are more company names within the column we wish to map, they can be done within the same operation. Let's add in mappings for Acme and Newco. Finally, when the column values don't match the source values, we can either leave them unchanged or change them to something else. In this case, we'll just leave them. If we run the pipeline, we can see that all our instances of British Petroleum have been mapped to BP. Now let's take a look at how to use map values in a slightly different way. We're going to take a column containing class of business and create a new column assigning each one of those values a risk code, which will enable the data to be processed in a catastrophe risk model. In the map values operation, we select the column class of business and write the results to a new column. Next, we add in a mapping to the risk code for each of the three values: property, engineering, and marine. And this time, when the data in the column doesn't match the source value, we'll overwrite it with a new value, invalid. This will allow us to troubleshoot any problematic rows later. If we run the pipeline, we can see that our column of risk codes has been created. The map values operation allows you to find values within a column and change them to the corrected value, or create new columns based on the values within a source column. For full details, see the Quantum Plate Help Center.